ready to try? Here we go.
Oops.
Uh-oh. A little on your hand, huh?
Are you getting mad at me?
Here. Let's see if we can sneak it in there. Let's see. You ready? Here. Let's trade.
Mmm.
You guys okay? Yeah, I think he's moving a lot. Oh, okay. At least it's not accurate. Oh boy, my finger missed. Sorry.
What do you think of that, Roscoe?
Do you like
What do you
that?
think, huh? It's not too
nice, huh?
He's doing pretty good with it.
He is. Oh, yeah? Wanna try that one?
Do you like that?
Here it comes. You ready? Show Steve how you do with the puree.
Look at that.
You're pretty good on doing it backwards there. There.
Oh no.
You're not sure?
What? Is that just too yummy? Just too yummy? Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Of course you have to have the orange mouth on the first one, huh? We gotta make sure it's a good photo, Keller. What do you think? Okay, I gotta stop to check that out.
Yummy? Yeah.